Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to use copy and paste using Clipboard framework. And here's the short demo. So here's the text. Let's try to copy. Let's paste it on a new message. Long press on the message box and paste. So let's begin. Let's use this quotation from Alexander and we will use this on our app. Then we will declare the UIs on the code. Now let's declare the Clipboard Manager. So after we declare the Clipboard Manager, let's check if it's null or not. This is a good practice in order to avoid null pointer issues. Now let's create a clip data. This will create a text clip to put on the clipboard. Let's give it a label name and let's get the text from the text view. Now one final thing is to set the primary clip on the Clipboard Manager. Now let's test the app and let's try to click the copy button and let's open the messages app and let's long press on the text box and click paste and here it pastes. Let's try again and using the clipboard and click clipboard and there it goes. Let's also try to paste on the notes and see it works fine also. One last thing is to move this code inside the button on click listener. That was my bad. I forgot to paste that inside the on click listener. So let's add a toast message that text was copied. So let's try it again. Now if I click copy and it will show us the toast message. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand about Clipboard Manager. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.